this building is located in number 35 Karachi Drive. So it's very closer to the Costco, Staples, and all the important places. And this is unit 31. So if you go inside, we have a security system from Bell. So if anyone break the glass or like anyone come inside, all the video cameras are there. And this is our reception. So like anyone comes here, they can wait in this area. Then after that, if you go, we have a meeting room. But for the meeting room, there will be a charge per hour $50 to use the meeting room. And then if you go further, the printer is available. Again, for the printer, there will be a charge for each printout or scanning. So there will be a pin. You can print only with the admin permission. Then this is the entrance of the room we are going to rent it. So here, if you go inside, there's a desk, computer desk, all brand new ones. There's a computer chair, 2 visitors chair. So you can use this as a office space, a private office space to work, and you can meet your clients. Okay, and there's a shelf area. It will be cleaned and given. So you can keep your stuffs here, your files here, and there's a key for this room. So you can lock and keep your key with you. So it's a private room basically. Okay, now let's go to the washroom. So this washroom is the accessibility washroom. So if you see, it's a very big washroom. So than normal washrooms because it's accessibility washroom. And if you see, it has all the facilities, and you can have like it's all well furnished ones. Okay, right. Thank you.